Yeah? How long as you love? Likkle Wizzies cool.
Then how much Mackerel dip on the shelf and the one me take?
So suppose that the one me want. Kuya. Hey, that really you? Look how long me no see you.
Me know you. Where you know me from?
You know me, mommy? Like really? So me look different.
Me don't remember you. Remind me.
You know remember me? Punsi from primary school.
Punsi?
You know remember me? Punsi.
Oh, you mean Punsinella?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, remember you.
Come on, give me a hug, man.
You think a 2 piece make you squeeze her so hard? So you don't remember me?
Of course, me remember you.
So when me hug them?
It's alright. Me know why you flatten me.
Wait. Me forget the Mackerel. Wait. You say you want to.
Anyways, me have to go away. Call me later.
You think me a magician? How am I call you without number? A who name Melody? Think you did name Punsi?
No man, Punsi is just my pet name.
Hello?
You think I know me I beg you?
Easy, babes. Just relax yourself.
Who you call babes?
No, I know what I mean. But that the name is easy for roll off my tongue.
So you have girlfriend?
Hold on. In the first 30 seconds, me and you ever talk on phone. A woman you ask about?
Just answer the question, man, and tap grow anything.
Well, the last time I check, I never have no ring pan my finger. You have none pan for you?
You know easy, no brother. So you alright?
Yeah, man. So you alright?
Yeah, man.
So where you depend? IG or Facebook?
Snap.
The snap. I don't depend the snap. The I depend the tube.
What you say? You dep on YouTube?
Yeah, man. You can link the I on the tube. The iTube.
You know hear me say if you stop calling me babes. You know I laugh, man. No.
Watch out. Melody. Your timing perfect. I just need to just call you.
Call? But me never call you.
Why say now you call me? You just stay up whole night on the phone? Wow, that is amazing.
You think me amazing?
No. Amazing how the phone battery never dead.
Huh?
Anyways, babes. Remember say we are link up in a town today.
You hear me say fi stop call me babes.
Ease yourself, girlfriend.
So me turn girlfriend now?
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe.
Likkle Wizzies.